Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app that will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen. And now let's take a look at this option bar at the top and tap on this settings icon, so the gear icon. Now tap on languages, which is at the top, and tap on Add Keyboard. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you need to do is to find your language and tap on it. So I'll pick this one and choose the region. Now let's find the keyboard layout that you want to use. So just mark the option that you want to set, untick the previous option, and tap on Done. So here we just successfully added our language, and before I'll show you how to remove the language, I'd like to share with you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So as you can see here, we've got this new icon which is called globe icon, so we can quickly change the language just by tapping on it. So now we've got English, and after tapping on the globe icon we can switch to another language. Moreover, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So if you wish to remove the language, just tap on the settings icon again and go to the languages. And here in this section, we need to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language that you want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. And we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.